Yo, what up, Pyros? Ducking Crazy here. This is my first stash video for the season 2024. So I didn't grab a bunch of stuff, but I do have some hefty items that I'm excited about. So yeah, man, hopefully I'll be able to get some other small stuff. We'll see how the upcoming weeks go, but yeah, let's start with this one first. This one is a big boy. That's my little puppy over there. It's massive. Look at that. It is a 400 shot called Heifer. It's also Lutz. Can't even get it in the... Oh, there we go. There we go. I think it's massive. Next to my dog. 400 shotter. Look at that. Jesus. So I'm pretty excited about that one. If you haven't seen the video on it, you should go check it out. It is very nice. And then another big one, Interstellar Crossing, 185 shotter. This one's heavy, man. It feels heavy. It was a bitch to get in here. Oh my god. But it looks badass. I like the wrap on this. 185 shots. I'm not even gonna open it up. But it's dope. Seen a video of it. Digged it, picked it up. Alright, so I got Neon Angel here, 109 shotter by Nanya. Not sure how well it performs in person, but seen a video of it. It's alright, it's decent. Some people don't like it because of the crackle. I enjoy crackle. I like it. But yeah, I got that one. This is the smallest one I got. Dead Space. Plugged through that in. So I don't know what that does. Heroes Farewell. 21 shot. 2-inch bore. So yeah, this is also Lutz. Seen a video of it. Sounds pretty thumpy. And then I got this one here, Attacking Giants. I'll get to that one in a bit. Oops. I'll go ahead and open it up. I haven't opened these up, man. Just got home. Let me see. I hadn't even seen the wrap. Ooh. That wrap is dope. Was this Attack on Titan? Attack on Titan. Or whatever the fuck that anime is called. I forgot what it was. Pretty sick, man. I like it. I like the wrap. Attacking Giants. No, it's the first time I see the artwork on it. Pretty sick. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Then I got this one over here. This one was extremely heavy, man. It was a pain. I had to use a dolly to get this one in. See if I can open it up as fast as I can without making a mess. Okay. Oh, there we go. There it is. All that. Finger was in the camera there for a little bit, but there's that one. Not sure how many shots this is. Let's see if I can check in there. It's a 1-3, so pretty sick cake. This one was very heavy. Very heavy. Let's see if I can move it here with one hand. Wow. Then we got this big boy here, 36 shotter Rebs. Ooh, somebody is popping off outside. Ooh, my puppy got scared. Let's open this up. So I usually don't burn in my neighborhood because I don't want to scare my puppy. Go elsewhere. Let me see. Oops. There we go. It's a little backwards there. 36 shots. Rebs. Haven't seen a video of this. Go check it out, man. Heavy hitter. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Pretty cool. Can't wait to set this bad boy off. And then last but not least, this one here. Just go ahead and open it for you guys. Bear with me. Okay. It is called Angel of Death. Let's see if we can scoot in there. A 100 shot salute cake. Give me one moment. Got one out. Shotter 4-1. Excited about this one. I always enjoy a little bit of noise. But yeah, Pyros, this is what I got this time around so far. My little pickup there. So didn't really get a lot of small stuff, just went with nothing but big boys. So yeah, Pyros, this is my 2024 stash. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see each other in the next one, I guess. Peace.